Hey people! Hi guys! Oh my god! I feel like I haven't vlogged in years, and it's been a long time actually. My laptop broke first of all, so I have edited vlogs. At this point, they'll probably have been up already, but I did edit vlogs. My laptop just broke, so I had to get that fixed, and still haven't picked it up as of yet. They called me, so I have to go pick it up. I thought I heard something. Well, I did, but I thought it was on the floor. Then I lost my camera. It was in one of my suitcases and whatever, but good things I found it. So we're back in full effect, but I left it at home because I'm kind of scared to, like, you know, lose it. And I'm going to be getting a new one any day now, so hopefully there should be better quality videos coming your way. And yeah.
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
Yeah, whew, yay. So that's pretty much the update. Another thing is, I don't know if you guys are wondering, but I'll update you anyways. With the apartment hunting thing, we decided that we weren't going to move. Well, Marlon decided that he didn't want to move yet. Then something happened. Then we changed our mind. We decided that we are going to move. So I'm again in the process of house hunting, which you may have seen a vlog about that already. And yeah, so we're moving hopefully by October, November. And yeah, and it's his birthday tomorrow. Today is September 3rd. It's his birthday tomorrow, so I'm on my way to go get my hair done. All right, see you guys soon. Hair is getting transformed.
Yeah, but who needs to see that?
My YouTube channel.
God.
It's my hairdresser, guys.
No, listen. Listen.
This is Salon Couture.
No. Can we turn it off?
This is where I get my hair done.
Set away. I'll be back, okay? Alright.
You're interrupting my video, okay? Just do your job.
Listen,
what hairstylists do. She's washing. This is the first shampoo. They don't see you right now. They can only hear you.
I don't want to be out of my hands.
What? Stop.
No, man.
Don't do that.
Listen.
How are you supposed to get clients?
I don't want to be on that.
You're not on it.
Yes, I am.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I hate that.
This is why family shouldn't be, you know?
Yes, I don't want to be
like any profession. See, but anyways,
all you gotta do is show them pics of before and
no,
after.
I can't. It's a video. YouTube isn't pictures.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god. When are you gonna be comfortable? Like after 5 years?
Oh, when I am.
Okay. But you're not on it right now, though. Again, I told you, you're not on it.
You know, you guys are not supposed to, like, invade other people's space and privacy and make people feel like...
What if you had other clients that were...
I would say the same thing. I'm sorry.
YouTubers. But you're not seeing. You're not on it.
What do you mean?
You're not on it.
I'm on it right now.
What did they see? Your hands? Yeah, because you're a hairdresser.
Yeah, it's disrespecting my privacy.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is ridiculous.
Famous yet.
This is Beauty on Shore's mom. Insane. So happy Tasia got the job.
Yeah, right.
To get some burgers. Yeah.
Mind just putting that thing away.
Okay, I'll be back when I start sewing it
later.
Well, when I blow dry.
Them, yeah. Next step.
Okay, next step.
Get it.
You're not even there.
Play music, you'll understand. mean, how can you set up your hairdresser to even be failed? Like, my hair is not done, I'm not done up, I'm not... Take it off! Come on, man, don't put that crap on.
My belly. But we look so cute together. We look like twins.
Oh my God. I don't want to be on there, like, I don't like that crap, man.
You're just doing your job.
Ready, I know, but when I'm ready...
Which is gonna be like when?
No, when I'm ready.
Okay, so you'll do a video with me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. You could do the sister tag.
No, I actually want to do a bit, like, you know, doing hair and stuff like that. I'm just not ready yet. Just give me my opportunity for when I am.
We've been hearing this for...
It doesn't matter. Y'all do y'all things on your own time. Let me do me. I don't force none of you to come and do my business. Okay?
Woo! I wish you would.
Shoot. When I'm ready, let's see if that's what y'all say you wish you would. Okay.
See you in the next step. Hi. Oh, it's not a picture.
Not a picture?
No, it's a video. And so, yeah, before I was really interrupted by a creep. Anyways, this is the finished product, guys. So I didn't take you guys on the journey with me. Someday you and me will find ourselves in love again. Hey guys, Shia's with me. Hey Shia. We're gonna go do our nails. I'm gonna go get my toes done. She's gonna go do her nails for back to school. Because back to school is next week. Oh, doesn't that suck? Summer's done.
Like next week is only from 11 to like 2.
But next week Tuesday?
We have
Orientation?
Orientation, yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot it's high school. Oh shoot.
So it's not that. And then
when you get to grade 12, it's gonna be like you're only gonna be there for like an hour.
yeah.
And yeah, you're only gonna be there for like 1 hour. But yeah, so we're just walking to the nail store right now. And yeah, we're gonna do that. Try to pretty up ourselves. This is the last weekend, long weekend of summer. Gotta get it in. I'm gonna try to party hop as much as possible, even though I'm broke. And yeah, because I'm trying to make Shia pay for my nails right now. We only got $20 for the both of us. Yeah, my hand's tired, so yeah, see you guys when we get inside. Okay? Okay, alright.
This program contains scenes of violence and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
Wait, why is
No,
this
it's fine because you guys understand, so we can share. I don't need to know too. You can't say that about everybody.
99%
oh my gosh.
Hey. I thought it was a picture of Fox.
You know,
Inappropriate behavior.
Oh my god.
Getting crumbs.
Don't see the bottles. Yes, people. No bottles. Yes. Oh, yes.
Eating healthy. Eating healthy salad.
Look at that. Salad ton up. Macaroni ton up. Everything turn up. You see it here, people. Yeah. Yeah, we are celebrating Marlon's birthday.
Do you have the rest of the thing?
Of what? The right there.
Oh, mine? Yeah, that's one for you.
I spend money Yo, man, no bother with that, man.
Say happy birthday, babe.
And no happy birthday. I can put you on every face and I try to happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, boo.
Happy birthday, man. You man. I know this. Move on yourself, no video. Don't put on YouTube. Right now, that I go for
Hey guys, not tomorrow, but it's Marlon's birthday. Wish him a happy birthday. Marlon, say happy birthday, man.
No, I don't think supposed to say it. Are you?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I hope you live to see a couple more.
Yeah.
And then a couple more after that.
Hold on, couple.
And then a couple more after that.
Hold on. You have a little bit. Where you have a little bit.
Wait, plus 2.
Put on your shoes.
Plus 2.
My name is on the lease, Negro. So if anybody leaving this place, it's you.
Break the moment.
Bye. Come, let me help you. Let me help you. And put on the beer, because your name bites. Put it down.
How about you come here? What are you buying there?
Thank you very much. When you come back to the party, you can enjoy it. Johnny. But you didn't buy nothing, so come out. What?
Look at that, there must be in there.
You have 3 can beer in there. Yeah, I mean, I drink them.
Look on your back and scratch on
Just like corn.
you're not long enough, man.
Oh, right there. Oh.
Alright, yeah. Move it on. Move it on. In the...
You see how many I do it better now? And you come back to have me, I know yourself.
Are you dumb? Best friends do it better. Get your life together, Negro.
Yo,
You're welcome.
I love it. I get emotional.
I like birthdays. I like birthdays. I love birthdays. Datadom.com. Huh? I love planning them. I like planning anything.
That's fine.
You know, I should just leave it on the tripod.
Can I have a turquoise one? Can I have a turquoise one? I don't care what it says. Can I have that one? This one?
I can't wait till we actually have the things where I don't have to tell you guys. Shut up! Sorry.
No, getting smashed.
But toasted.
Wait, they're smashed? We all need to do it.
I mean, paparazzi. Hey, birthday boy.
But I like this color. I know.
I got that ass tonight. Turning that over, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna break this table. Take some plates and break it over my head. I'm gonna be like, Opa!
Wait, I want you. Please. It is gonna be. Eventually. Yes. Oh my perfect. I love that game. Let's go. That was great. Oh yeah, don't yo be careful with that. Like the last time. I've been drinking that for the last 2 minutes. Everybody calm down. They don't mind some fun.
You guys, I love having people over. You guys don't understand when I'm here by myself.
I know. So boring, right? I know.
I need kids.
Does everybody know how to play?
Play what?
If you've done it,
Never have I ever.
No.
You don't know?
No, only soccer.
nobody else has to play.
You have to play. Okay, so we'll tell you how to play, okay? You just drink what we drink.
You want pizza?
Okay, let's go. So you're first. Your turn.
Wait. Okay, so for the game, if you have done it, you drink.
Yes.
And if you haven't done it, you don't drink.
And looking.
Alright.
Okay. My first question is, no. Never have I ever attended a birthday party.
Lie.
Liar. You don't have to. You don't.
It's not a lie.
You don't have to say something that you necessarily
Dinner.
Yeah.
It can be anything.
So we're at a birthday party right now. Even if you didn't do it, you can say it.
I already drank mine. So
I didn't drink mine. Fuck, I'm done.
I drank mine. She has a white liver.
What is a white liver?
White liver, you know what that means?
Who has a white liver?
White liver, you know what it means?
I don't know.
She's white.
Hey, never have I ever said.
And let's not them all be sexual.
Yeah,
Like,
I like sexual.
I know, but not all the questions.
Exactly.
That's boring.
It's mix it up, yeah.
But since you didn't say it,
Okay.
I guess I can.
Okay. Fine, let's go.
Never have I. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, wait. If you drink, if you did it, you drink, and if you don't, you
Yeah,
don't.
you never. No, you know, I'm not gonna call anybody else.
If you never did it, you have to
God.
drink.
You don't
No,
have
if
to drink.
you you don't have to drink.
Yeah.
If you did it, you
have to
drink.
drink. Never have I ever. I don't know what I haven't done.
Do you want me to go?
Just say anything.
Okay,
Never.
never have I ever.
Don't say anything appropriate.
What? What you want to say? Oh, you drink.
Oh.
You don't have to tell them what you
Why
did.
are you trying to eat?
Stupid.
So if you drink, that means you're skinny
Everybody
dip.
drink?
Yeah.
So you're skinny dip then.
Yeah.
Who has ever had a threesome?
Right. Drink. Right. Yeah, well, foursome.
Wow. No, that's too much. I'm not going for that.
Yeah, threesome.
That's like a home.
Wait, you drank?
She drink, yeah, she have it. She
Never have I ever had
Give me a.
Oh, I have. That's great. I never did.
She never did.
Oh, she drink. She drink.
I love how you like
I love how
I have never had it.
My glass is a top up right now.
She already got
Yes,
everything now.
girlfriend.
She already she have a while ago when you say not here, she just done everything. So now we're back on to
You're
never
next.
ever know. No, listen to what they say.
Okay, so the game is.
A girl thing is
No, it's not a girl
It's
thing.
very
It's a whole. It's
It's not
everywhere.
So if my tell the back lady, they say never ever do it. Come on and say when skinny dip.
And you guys have to take it.
So maybe he's. Okay, so the game is never have I ever. Somebody says something like, never have I ever skinny dipped. If you have skinny dipped, you drink. If you haven't, you don't drink.
This is how you say
So if you do,
hold
on, whatever the question. Wait, no, wait, but we're not talking about skinny dip. I'm just giving it as an example. Huh?
Everything you do, me drink.
Then you get drunk.
That's why it's fun. That's why it's fun.
The point of the game is to get drunk.
Like without noticing what you're doing.
Yeah, right. Okay, Kim, go.
Kim, go, man. Go. Kim.
It could be anything.
Like that.
Have I ever drank?
Well, we all
Wait, hold on, no.
We drink.
What does this have anything?
Never have I what?
Never have I ever.
Something you did or didn't ever.
Have you ever?
That's truth or dare. That's truth or dare.
What's wrong with the birthday boy?
No, truth or dare is next.
Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna
over.
spill my guts right now, so never have I ever went to college.
Oh, no, fuck that. Wait, so Bob,
You've gone.
Okay,
Sorry.
what do you mean?
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
She went to college 4 years. She's like, what do I do?
Have you ever not been in a car?
Huh?
Eating in a
No.
Wait.
You have to.
Oh, we already said.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't mean it like that. I've eaten in a car.
Hey, she drink, man. Look.
Okay, so
Oh, say something. Say something.
please, man, he's trying to sit.
Say something.
Never have I ever.
Never. Take it apart.
In a park.
Yeah, oh,
Wow, that, I ain't drinking that one.
I was just
Actually,
explaining.
maybe I have.
That's actually be my.
Never have I ever eaten fried dumpling.
I probably eat that every morning.
Drink.
Everybody drink. That's my favorite food.
Okay. Never have I ever been to Jamaica.
Oh, I can drink. Okay, I need another.
Why do you need to drink it like that, Marlon? Next question.
Listen.
Never have I ever. Got a tattoo.
Oh,
But obviously I do not.
Hey.
I got 5 of those.
Never have I ever had sex with somebody younger than me.
What if you didn't know before? Does that count?
Have I ever called my partner another
They were fucking.
person? Yeah, another person's name.
Never have I ever done that.
Never have I
ultimate disrespect.
Gonna cut the cake now. Hi people, can you guys come around? Let's sing happy birthday to the birthday boy. Let him cut his cake, you know what I'm saying?
Happy birthday to you. Hello?
Can we sing the other one?
I don't know the song.
Yeah, can we sing?
Happy birthday to you.
Can we wait?
You feel me though.
Happy birthday.
Wait. Can we sing it on like all together?
Okay, you guys serious. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
55.
How old are you now? How old are you now? Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 30? Wait! Marlon, wait! Even though there's no candle, make a wish.
Happy birthday.
I wish for long life and prosperity.
You're not supposed to tell people what you're wishing. Just close your eyes and wish.
Wish it out loud. Tell him
Why?
no. It's okay.
Yo,
He wishes it for all of us.
baby one time.
Don't worry. Don't worry, baby. I promise you. Next Father's Day, you will be either a father or a potential father.
Potential father.
That means I'll be cooking. That means I'll be cooking.
Potential means it's gonna be there.
Come on, cut it. Cut it.
Mash it up tonight.
And don't put it out.
Yeah, don't pull it out. Just pull it down.
Don't pull it out. Just pull it in.
Wow.
Pull it out. Don't pull it out.
That's how you get a baby.
Don't pull out. You guys, hello. He has a lot of experience. You got me still? You see? You see?
You see?
I don't want to hear about it.
Don't make your mother see this. Don't make your mother see this.
Do you guys want peace now?
No.
Yeah, I want to.
Just a little.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.